Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the compressor safe and silent ready. Unplug it, open the drain, and bleed the tank to 0 psi so nothing surprises you. Once done, check mounting points. Replace hard feet with 1/2 rubber or sorbothane isolators because they convert vibration into absorbed motion. Next, tighten any loose bolts and swap rigid metal hoses for flexible, braided, or rubber lines. These stop vibration transfer and reduce noise at the source. Do this now before moving to acoustic solutions. Now tackle the mid-stage noise, exhaust and motor. Fit an inline muffler or sintered bronze silencer on the exhaust port to reduce high-frequency hissing. This smooths airflow pulses. For motor hum, drape perforated mass-loaded fabric or acoustic wrap around the casing, but leave vents and clearance for cooling so you don't overheat the motor. Then construct simple foam baffles to redirect and absorb sound waves. Arrange them to create a guided airflow path that preserves cooling while cutting reflected noise. Finish by enclosing the unit. Construct a lightweight acoustic box using 1/4 plywood shell lined with 1 closed-cell acoustic foam, leave 1-2 ventilation channels and a removable access panel. Once done, run the compressor under typical load and test noise and temperature. Use a phone app for comparative decibel readings. Make sure vibration mounts are holding and the muffler is seated. If noise or rattles persist, stop and check belt tension. Mount isolation and exhaust fitting before running again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.